So I'd probably set up the pneumatics for at least the brake pedal here. Either I can directly actuate it, probably get me more of my power directly just to the shaft, but then I have to keep this all aligned. There's already a linkage here. So what I was thinking was to take a bar off the frame and just have this sit in like a cup here, so like it'll fucking, as this extends, it'll fucking stay in a little pocket no matter where this angles.
Damn, how's your hand?
Fine, I got it. Fuck. Just take a chunk out of my hand and go about it. Or remember, the halfway point is straight, so from here.
It's on the wheel, it'll pivot it over.
Yeah, but then.
In the back.